Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Trivago with Agoda. So let's get right into it. Trivago, as you have heard, is a hotel price comparison site showing deals from multiple booking platforms. It finds the lowest price across platforms, but you can book through third-party websites as well. It is best for comparing hotels, reading reviews, and finding the best rates. It is also best for finding cheapest hotel rates across the multiple platforms. As you can see, there's multiple cities, multiple countries you can go on to and find the hotels, their prices, their reviews, and everything. Now comparing Trivago with Agoda. Agoda is an actual booking platform offering direct hotel and flight reservations. It offers exclusive discounts as you can see over here and rewards selective deals for extra savings. It is best for booking hotels, flights, vacation rentals, and earning awards just sitting there. As you can see, there is also saving 10% offer going on right now for your first booking. So it is best for booking hotels, flights. Now, my final verdict will be if you want exclusive discounts, direct booking, and a reward program, choose Agoda. But if you prefer comparing hotel prices across different booking sites, then choose Trivago because it is good in there. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.